So let us discuss the question with respect to MySQL. All right. This is a ninth question. Please see the ninth question. This is connection to networking. In the context of communication networks, which of the following is the correct expansion for abbreviation PAN? LAN stands for local area network. MAN stands for metropolitan area network. WAN stands for wide area network. CAN stands for campus area network. PAN stands for personal area network. Personal area network. So D option is the most suitable one here. Okay. Then 10th question. In the context of cyber crimes and cyber thefts, the term IPR refers to Internet Protocol rights, interpersonal rights, intellectual property rights, individual property rights. It is C option, intellectual property rights. Okay. Then 11th question. In SQL, write the name of the aggregate function which will display the cardinality of the table. First of all, tell me what is cardinality. Yes, Anushka, unmute yourself and tell me the meaning of cardinality. Anushka, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
So
What is
cardinality is the rows of the table.
The total number of rows or tuples in the table. Okay. So, which aggregate function demonstrates the cardinality of table? Yes, anyone? एक ऐसा फंक्शन बताओ जो अगर हम यूज करें that will tell the total records available in the table. Yes, Bhavneet, unmute yourself.
Sir, count star.
Yes, count star. Count star is the aggregate function which when used will display the cardinality of the table. Okay, got it? Then we have 12th question. Which of the following clauses in SQL is most appropriate to use to select matching tuples in the specific range of values? Range of values. Yes, please. Yes. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, between.
Between. All right. Which of the following is not a valid data type of SQL? Date, decimal, character, string. Yes, according to you, which one is invalid? Yes, Mohit.
Date.
Which?
Date.
No, date is there. It is string. It is string. All right. Which of the following is not a valid DML command? Which one is not a valid DML command? Yes, who will tell? Yes, Abhishek. Oh, sorry. Tanisha, unmute yourself.
Sir, alter.
Yes, it is alter. because rest of the three options, insert, update and delete, they are in connection to the records. Only the alter command is such command which is in connection to the table. So alter command. Okay, 15th question. Which of the following wireless transmission media is best suited for man? Man technology covers entire city. Man covers entire city. जैसे आपका केबल टेलीविजन है, केबल टेलीविजन is the best example of man. So what according to you is the best wireless media that can be suited for man network? Microwave, radio, infrared, Bluetooth. देखो ब्लूटूथ तो हो नहीं सकता, डिस्टेंस इज वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट. इंफ्रारेड तो उससे भी शॉर्ट है, तो सी और डी तो हो ही नहीं सकते. योर आंसर विल वेरी इन ए एंड बी. And yesterday I told you the drawback of microwave link. What was the drawback of microwave? It requires the line of sight. Line of sight क्या होता है? बिल्कुल straight path चाहिए. There should be no obstacle in between. When you want to transfer the data from one person to other, there should be no obstacle in between. The data should travel in a straight line. Okay. So which option is left? We are left with B option, radio link. क्योंकि radio wave, it has the benefit that signals can travel in all directions. Signals can travel in all directions because the signals are omnidirectional. In radio wave, signals are omnidirectional. Okay. Also, one major use of radio wave is in the hilly regions. In the hilly regions. Okay, got it? Keep these points in your mind. Yeah. Which of the following command in SQL is used to add a new record in the table? Which of the SQL command is used to add a new record in the table? Yes, Maulik.
Sir, insert.
Yes, it is B option, insert. Very good. Then we have, okay, this was 18th question. Yeah, then we have 19th question. Which of the following is the correct expansion of DML? DML की full form क्या होती है? Yes, who will tell? Again, Maulik. Why not others are participating? Yes, Akriti.
The data manipulation language.
Data manipulation language. Sorry. Okay. Good. So we proceeding to the 22nd question. Case study. Case study question. Okay. Anmol maintains that database of medicines for his pharmacy using SQL to store the data. The structure of the table pharma for the purpose is as follows. The name of table is pharma. And these are the fields: MID, medicine name, price, units, expiry date. और ये टेबल है. Sorry, this is the table. Right? Table is visible to all. Is table visible to everyone? All right. Now, first of all, you tell me the first answer, degree and cardinality of the table. Degree and cardinality of the table. Yes, Anushka, what is the degree?
Sir, 5.
How you can say degree is 5?
Sir, number of columns.
Number of columns. Anushka, please sit somewhere where there is silence, okay? You yourself will get disturbed by this noise, okay? 5. Okay, cardinality. Yes, Mohit.
6.
6. How you can say 6?
The number of records or rows.
Number of records. Good. Okay. Identify the attribute best suitable to be declared as primary key. इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा attribute है which is best suited as primary key? B part. This was the answer for A part. हाँ जी मौलिक बताइए बेटे.
Sir, MID.
MID. Very good, Maulik. Superb response. Maulik, Abhishek, Mohit, Anushka, Sanvinder, Bhavneet, Akriti, they are constantly giving responses in the lectures. Very good on their part. All right. Now read the C option. जिसने C command समझ ली ना, समझो चैंपियन है बंदा. Anmol has received a new medicine to be added into his stock, but for which he does not know the number of units. He doesn't know the number of units. ये वाली फील्ड नहीं पता उसको. बाकी सब पता है, इसकी डिटेल नहीं पता. So he decided to add the medicine without its value for the units. The rest of the values are as follows. Write the SQL command which Anmol should execute to perform the required task. Yes. Let me see how many hands will go up. ये चीज हम कर चुके हैं MySQL में. अगर आपको किसी फील्ड की वैल्यू नहीं देनी, you have done this sort of question in when I started MySQL. Yes, Bhavneet, what are your views?
Sir, insert into medicine bracket MID, MName, price,
Insert
expiry.
into medicine. Here after the table, very good, Bhavneet, it's good. When you are to omit any particular field, then always in the insert command, after the table name, write the name of those field for which you want to give the value. MID, comma, MName, comma, price, comma, expiry. Okay. Now write values. Now give the values which are given in the question. M7. अब यहां पर जो MID है वो अल्फा न्यूमेरिक है, तो ये सिंगल कोट में आएगा. M name Sacral fate. Okay. Price 17. Date also comes in single quote. Date भी quotes में होती है. And semicolon. Now when you will run this command, what will happen? Since I have not given any value for units, I have skipped units. मैंने units को skip कर दिया है, तो units क्या होगा? Null. Units will be null. Got it? Clear? All right. Then D part. Anmol want to change the name of attributes units to quantity in table form. एक एट्रीब्यूट है यूनिट्स, उसका नाम चेंज करके क्वांटिटी करना है. Which command will help him to make changes in the column name? Update, drop table, create table, alter table. अब ये तो आना चाहिए सबको. Yes, अनुष्का.
Sir, update.
No, bete. Update is for the records. Yes, Maulik. Maulik, unmute yourself.
Sir, alter table.
Alter table. It is D option. Alter table. Okay, last E part. Beta, I am writing the answers in the notepad. Is notepad file visible to all, na? Okay. Now Anmol wants to increase the price of all medicine by 5. अब रिकॉर्ड में चेंजेस करने हैं. हर वर्कर की हर मेडिसिन की प्राइस में 5 रुपए का इंक्रीज करना है. Which command you will opt? Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, update.
Yes, it is A option, update. Okay. When you want to make changes in the columns or table, alter table. When you want to make changes in the record or row, that is update. Right? Good. So that was your about MySQL. Okay. Now I proceed towards the networking topic. We were on part 2. And we have covered the medias. We were doing network devices. Okay. Yeah. Hub we have done yesterday. Now comes switch. Okay. Yesterday I was having period at 1:30 and very few students have joined the class. Beta, Friday you are having 2 periods. One third period, one is 1:30. So it is obligatory for all to attend the class at 1:30 also. Only on Friday it is there. Okay. Otherwise, every day, third period. Switch. Hub and switch, they both have the same function. As I told you earlier that hub is a device that is used to connect multiple computers together. Switch also has the same function, but switch is considered to be more intelligent device as compared to hub. Okay. Switch intelligently blocks the traffic overloading. It prevents the traffic overloading, right? Which hub cannot do. Switch provides filtration of the data, which hub cannot do. No doubt both have the same function, right? Now, what actually switch do? When the data packet arrives, the switch examines the address of that packet. आपने एक डिवाइस, एक सिस्टम से दूसरे सिस्टम में मैसेज भेजना है. Switch will check the packet. Switch will check the address on the packet, and switch intelligently will send that data packet to the correct address, correct device only. It will not broadcast the message. Hub क्या करेगा? Hub मैसेज को ब्रॉडकास्ट कर देगा. वो सभी के पास जिसका होगा वो ले जाएगा. But switch intelligently checks the address and send the data only to the concerned particular device or address. Okay. So these are the differences between hub and switch. Hub is operated on the physical layer, while switch is operated on the data link layer. Beta, in the higher classes, if you are opting computer science stream after 12th, you will be having one subject, networking. There you will learn one concept, OSI model, open system interconnection. OSI model consists of 7 layers: application layer, data link layer, network layer. So in those layers, you will study the detail about how the data packet is reaches and passes through all the layers. So hub is operated at the physical layer and switch is operated at the data link layer. Hub is a broadcast type transmission. It broadcasts the message. Okay. But switch is a unicast, multicast, as well as broadcast. Hub have maximum 4 ports. Switch can have 24 to 28 ports. Right? Hub cannot be used as repeater. Switch can be used as repeater. अब रिपीटर की बात आई है तो मैं आपको रिपीटर भी बता दूं. हमारा नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट रिपीटर ही है. Then I will come back to the difference also. Suppose distance between A and B is very large. A computer wants to send data to B computer, but the distance is very large. Now, as the distance is large, the signal, the data which is traveling on the line, the data at the longer distance gets corrupted. The data loses its capacity. The data, the packet, the signal, it gets degrade to such extent that the capacity of the signal deteriorates. So that the signal should not deteriorate, should not loses its capacity, we install a device at regular intervals. That device amplifies the signal. Amplifies means refreshes the signal. वो बार बार सिग्नल को रिफ्रेश करता रहता है, एम्पलीफाई करता रहता है, ताकि सिग्नल अपनी कैपेसिटी को लूज ना करे. And when by the time the signal reaches the destination, it should reach with its full capacity. This function is performed by repeater. And remember one point, it will be useful in the comprehension of networking. Repeaters are installed where distance is equal to or more than 100 meter. Where distance is equal to or more than 100 meter, there you have to install the repeater. हर 100 मीटर के बाद रिपीटर लगता है. So hub cannot act as a repeater, but switch can act as a repeater. Okay. Hub is not an intelligent device as compared to switch. So it is inexpensive as compared to switch. But switch is more intelligent device. It is bit expensive than hub. Right? Hub does not perform filtration of the traffic, but filtration function is performed by switch. Okay. Next is your Ethernet card. How many of you have seen this? कभी आपने देखा हो Ethernet card? Okay. So Ethernet card is a type of NIC. NIC is network interface card. That is specific to Ethernet technology. Right? And the computers that are part of Ethernet have to install a special card called Ethernet card. Basically, it is used for LAN type of network. जहां LAN type का network होगा, वहां ये use होता है. Right? And what is Ethernet? It is a LAN architecture developed by Xerox Corporation along with DEC and Intel, right? It uses bus or star topology and data transfer rate is up to 10 Gbps. Clear? What is the main objective of Ethernet? It connects wired local area networks and allows the device to communicate with each other on the LAN network. When you are connected on the LAN network, you are able to communicate with each other due to this card that is called Ethernet card. Got it? ये डायग्राम देख लो Ethernet नेटवर्क का. Okay, now moving to the Wi-Fi. Okay, generally, as per your knowledge, what is Wi-Fi connection? Yes, please. अब तो सबके घर में लगा हुआ Wi-Fi. How can you define Wi-Fi? +2 इतना सोचना पड़ता है. You are using internet at home. Right now you are using internet. You are accessing the Zoom class. You have connected your mobile via Wi-Fi and you don't know what is Wi-Fi. It's very shocking for me. Yes, Vaibhav, according to you, what is Wi-Fi?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Vaibhav.
Sir, it is a facility allowing computers, smartphones, and other devices to connect with and communicate with each other.
Okay. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Anyone can tell me? Full form of Wi-Fi. Yes, Tushar.
Sir, wireless fidelity.
Wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. When you book your internet connection from ISP, they provide you modem, they provide you the connection, okay? And it may be wireless connection or with wired. अगर wireless connection है तो simple एक wireless router आपके घर में रख देते हैं and it catches the signal. The more higher you keep the router, the more higher level you keep, the more fast it will catch up the signals. Okay, clear? Okay, what are the benefits of Wi-Fi connection? Anyone can tell me? Yes, please. अब ये तो बता दो Wi-Fi के एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं? +2 इतना सोचते हो बेटा इन चीजों के लिए भी. Yes, Sanvinder.
Quick and fast internet facility available.
As compared to simple broadband or dial-up connection, the speed of Wi-Fi is fast. Okay. What else can be the advantage?
Help to link devices.
Yeah, you can connect more than one device. Very good. At one time, you can connect your laptop, tablet, and PC also. Okay. So Wi-Fi card connects to your laptop. Either you can connect via USB port or either any wide card slot. It receives the wireless signals and communicates with the wireless network, which finally makes the user enable to access internet on their devices. Clear? So with this, we end up networking part 2 also. And we are proceeding to part 3 of networking. All right. Network protocols. As a student, when you are entering the school, you are bound by the rules. You are to follow rules while communicating in the school with each other. Similarly, when we are on internet, we are bound by some rules for communication. Those rules, they are known as protocol. So what is a protocol? The rules that are applicable for a network, right? Now these are some of the protocols which we will discuss today. First is TCP IP. Already you have done in 10th class if you remember. अब TCP IP क्या होता है? First of all, I will explain you the meaning, the simple meaning of this protocol. This protocol consists of two protocols, TCP and IP. TCP and IP. Clear? What is TCP? The large message. A person wants to send a very large message to B person. What TCP at sender side will do? TCP will break the large message into smaller parts, which are known as packets. It will assign a particular number to each packet and will transfer the packet in random order to the receiver. At the receiver side, there will be again one TCP that will receive the packets which are coming in random order. It will arrange the packets again, assemble them and reassemble them to form original message again. जो रैंडम पैकेट्स आए हैं उनको दोबारा से रीअसेंबल किया जाएगा ताकि ओरिजिनल मैसेज फ्रेम आउट हो सके. Up till here is the role of TCP. Now the role of IP starts. IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP का रोल क्या होता है? IP ये चेक करता है correct packet should reach to the correct destination address. सही पैकेट सही एड्रेस पे जाए. Whatever address is there on the packet, the packet should go to that particular address only, not to any other address. This checking, this surety is given by IP. Okay. Then you have HTTP. HTTP basically is a hypertext transfer protocol. Beta, if you are able to access web pages on internet, it is only and only because of this protocol. As this protocol works in connection with www. All the hypertext files which you can access, all the multimedia files which you can access, that is possible due to this protocol. Okay. Now, as I told you that HTTP works in connection with www, it is basically dependent on client server technology. Client server technology means the message is sent by the client to the server. Server accepts the request, fulfills the request, and send back the desired web page to the sender, to the client. Okay. Then is FTP. Beta, FTP means file transfer protocol. The protocol that is helpful in transferring the file from one computer to another computer. Also, when you are downloading and uploading something from internet, that downloading and uploading is possible due to FTP. Okay. Up till here, am I clear with all the protocols? TCP IP, your HTTP and FTP. Clear? Then you have SLIP, Serial Line Internet Protocol. It was the very first protocol that used IP packets over dial-up lines. Dial-up connection is the temporary connection, not permanent. Okay, clear? Okay, one is dial-up, one is broadband. Anybody can tell me the difference in the two? Yes. Yes, anyone? Anyone difference in broadband and dial-up? Which is temporary, which is permanent, which is slow, which is fast? Yes, Maulik, you tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, dial-up is temporary
Okay,
and broadband is permanent.
okay.
Sir, dial-up is slow, broadband fast.
Okay.